unity, faith, and discipline are the three golden principles on which we should build our nation.
Do not forget that the armed forces are the servants of the people. You do not make national policy. It is we, the civilians, who decide these issues, and it is your duty to carry out these tasks with which you are entrusted.
Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man.
My guiding principle will be justice and complete impartiality, and I am sure that with your support and cooperation, I can look forward to Pakistan becoming one of the greatest nations of the world.
With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve.
We should have a state in which we could live and breed as free men, and which we could develop according to our own lights and culture, and where principles of Islamic social justice could find free play. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan.